So in this video we'll see return of function. So return is nothing but a value which returned by a function. So here you can understand it by an example or an analogy that like in real life if you call some person like you are calling your friend Rahul, so he will give you some money. So similarly, when we call function in Python, then it will give us something. So what it will give us, how we define that what this function will give to us. So this is done using return statement. So this is the return statement, how we return statement return. So this is the return statement, return so. So actually return is only defined in function and class. So it is there is no scope of return is independent because it is not in a function, so it is behaving like independent but behave independent. So meaning of independent return is nothing. So let's see how what is written by below example. So here you can see I am defining a function grade, defining grade and printing, printing hello, printing hello, hello. Let's say this is defined. Now calling the grid. So if we want to check if we assign this function to x is equal to grid. Now x is equal to grid. Now we see what x is. So print x, print x. So it is actually none because we didn't define any return in this function. Can you see any return statement in this function? There is just single line of code, print. So it is not returning anything. So it is none. So here are some points regarding return. So when function hit return, then it will stop executing subsequent code in function and get out of the function. And here a function calls, and when return statement is executed, it return the expression back to the function which we defined in return statement. If there is no return value, or if we do not define any return statement in function, then this function will return none. So here as we didn't define any return statement, so it returning none. So that's why x is initiated with none value. So let's say it return hello, it return hello. So let's see what will be the value of x. So now here you can see printing x. Now the value of x is hello. So this is the return function when we call something. When we call someone, so it will return and return the expression we specified in return statement. So here is one more important point that a function call and when return statement executed. So let's understand by below example, like it will return the message according to age. So eligible or not is eligible. I am defining an eligible function and it expect age. So if age if age is greater than 18, then return Return, what return? Return you can drive. And then if or else you can't drive. Age or else return you can't drive. You can't drive. Someone often hear in else statement why there is no condition in else statement. So it in else statement there must be not any state any condition. Only in if statement and elif statement accept conditions. So this is the my function. It will returning the message and expecting age. So just execute it and then eligibility, eligible or not, then pass the age like 18. So I pass 18. So it is returning me you can't drive. You can see you can't drive. It is not printing. It is actually returning because it I am executing in a Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook have a function that it will give us answer for experiment. It will print some answer for experiment. Like in real world, it is not printing. Like here, you can see x is equal to eligible or not, and pass them 15. Now it will not print. So now check what is x. X is you can't drive. So in function, after hitting any return statement written in this function, the call will be end. Like if I here defining some or more codes, wow, and then print go, then let's check what it will do. So eligible 18, as you can see, I executed eligible 18. Now it will pass age, then it will check if age is 18. No, greater than 18, so no. So it will execute this else code. Then it will return you can't drive. And as here you can see it hit the return statement, then it the call is will be end, then and subsequent subsequent code will not run. So here you can see in output it is not printing these statement. So here you can see let's x is equal to 15. Now you can see x is you can't drive and it is not printing anymore. Let confirm this by using this. I am also defining also uh, writing this code in beginning of this function. So let's see what it will do. Now you can see here it is printing. Now after return after hitting one of return statement, it will stop the stop call will be stopped and it will get out of this function. And it will not execute any subsequent code in function after hitting return statement. Now I understood that you understood that how we define a return statement of function and some important point like subsequent code will not be executed after hitting return statement. So I think this is enough for this video. I will see you in next one. So thanks for watching.